Hi guys, in my daily routine I create blog posts from my videos and I had to spend a lot of time in using several tools to do it. But now I found a quick and easy way to do it using the built-in Windows 11 tools, and this is what I will show you in this video. So usually what I was doing, I was going through the video, I was making screenshots either with some of the Chrome extensions or print screen or inspect element and other stuff. I was using the URL of the video and using external services where I can export the frames of the video. But now what I found is the quickest way to do it, and I will show it to you right now. So I will install first the Chrome extension called Enhancer for YouTube. This is it. It's an extension for Chrome. I will install it like this. It is installed. Once done, I will click on the icon here and I can enable the different settings that it has here. I will not do it right now. The only thing I will use is click to take a screenshot of the video. I will return to YouTube now, and if I refresh this video here, I will mute it actually. You can see now at the bottom here I have a line with some icons. So here in this video I am explaining how to do a keyword research in 15 minutes, and basically I am showing different tools. So for example, here I am showing the Google Keyword Planner. Imagine that you want to make a screenshot of this portion of the video and add it to your article. I will just click on the screenshot icon and you can see that a screenshot has been created immediately, and I can open the screenshot, and by default it opens it in Photos app in Windows 11. So from here, what if I want to just remove the extra space around? I can do it by clicking the edit icon here, and I can just move this stuff here like this, for example, something like that, let's say. Okay, and this one as well. Okay, so I have resized, actually I have cropped the image, and I'll click on save. This will replace the image which I had. So from here, the next thing what I need to do is I want to resize the image. For example, at the moment it's almost 1000 pixel width, and I want to make it, let's say 700, so it can take less space in my blog. And I can change it to JPEG or some other format. I'll use PNG because I have additional compression in my website, so this is quite enough. Okay, from here I will save it to my desktop, and from my desktop I will just open the image with the Snipping Tool. Why I'm doing this? With the Snipping Tool, it has some built-in tools, and for example, if I want to highlight this section here, you can see how nice I can do it using just the built-in tools. Also, I can, for example, use the highlight or something like that. Then again, save, replace the image, and I'm ending up with a cut from my video showing a portion of the video, and I have some additional elements which are added here. I think this is quite nice, quick and easy way to do it without having external tools like Canva, Photoshop, without installing a lot of extensive tools that are hard to learn. Let me know in the descriptions how do you think, if this is helpful or not. Thank you.